Hi everybody, Tommy here with the Hunting Factor. In this episode, I'm going to show you my arrow setup and how I build it. Here we go. First off, I'm using a Black Eagle Deep Impact 300 spine 03 straightness, and I shoot 28-inch draw. I have a short draw length, and I have a 65-pound draw weight. And on my arrow, the Magnus Black Hornet serrated 150 grain stainless steel outsert and nocturnal lighted nocks. Ever since I've used this setup, I've had really good success with it, even on poor shots. I don't really do any knot tuning. I spin it on my spinner, make sure they're straight, and I cut them to the length I want, and I put them together, and I test shoot them. That's basically all I do. Oh, and by the way, this arrow comes in at 572 grains, and it has 18% FOC. To find out what your FOC on your arrow is, just go to bowhunting.com, and in their search bar type in FOC calculator, and they have a calculator on there, and you put your measurements in there and it'll tell you how much FOC you have. Did a little research and started tinkering with my arrows. Now I'm on a little heavier side. I mean, even though this is a micro diameter arrow, it's still pretty heavy, and it packs a punch. So let's build it. Alright, first thing I gotta do is cut the arrow to the size I want. Put my little spinning tool, square it up. Now on these, you gotta seam this end to get that outsert to fit on there. Because you can buy these stainless steel outserts separately. You don't have to buy the whole FOC kit. Let's see here. There we go. Just like that. And then what I like to do is take a little bit of alcohol. Get that on there. Clean that end off. And I am using Black Eagle Instabond. This stuff works really good. As soon as you put it on there, put your insert on there, boom, it hardens pretty quick. I've never had an outsert come off with this glue. It's good stuff. Right on the end like that. Cap it off. Give it a twist. Get rid of the excess. Okay, spin it. Oh yeah, we're good. These are 150 grain field points I'm going to be putting on there to match my point weight. Now that's how we build a 572 grained arrow. All I gotta do is shoot it. Well, those are shooting real straight. I'm pretty happy with that. I built 3 arrows, and I shot one that had a broadhead on it. Now with these broadheads, I will shoot them, and then I'll just resharpen the broadhead. That's what's nice about these broadheads, is you can sharpen them. Also, with putting the broadheads on the arrow, the way I match them is I put them on the spinner, make sure they're spinning straight. You know, if they're spinning straight, they're gonna fly straight. That's my philosophy. I'm not an expert, but this is just what I do. That is a real straight arrow. Not bad for 0.03 straightness on these. And there you have it. Heavy arrow that flies straight, packs a punch, and it'll do the job. Maybe this will help you in your decision on what type of arrow build you want to do. Or maybe just get the same arrows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. For more videos, click up here. See you on the next one.